What's going on YouTube? Modeling Up back at you. So, know it's been a little while. Again, apologize with summer coming on. Definitely the outdoor stuff kind of takes precedence a little bit. So, but yeah, got back on the bench here tonight and got the decals on the other side. To be honest, absolutely love how they came out. Looking at the setup though, I think the one thing I am going to need to do is probably sand off just a little bit of the hood itself, but I'm going to wait until I have that, wait until I have it all locked in with clears and stuff like that before I really come back, because I definitely, last thing I want to do is mess up this gold foil, because this side actually went down a treat, and in fact there it just popped in, so maybe I don't even have to. So yeah, basically I just have to watch how I attach this. In either case, you can see I got this side all done, so that's just a 100% loose fit at the moment. I'm just gonna be clearing all of these separately, and then I'll put the last parts on. So got everything set back for that. I have the valve covers somewhere. Kind of lost track of them here, but got the valve covers painted in aluminum. They're ready to just drop on, and then I'm basically just gonna be done with the engine. I'm not gonna super detail it, anything crazy like that. So that's ready to go. To be honest, the wing's all cleared. So that's pretty much ready to go. I just need to get the bracing painted and put on, and then get these all cleared. So once I have those cleared, now that kind of the finicky stuff's all done, should be a pretty quick process to get this all finished up, and yeah, just complete it on off. So definitely looking forward to the next build, whatever that will be at the moment. Not sure what I'll be going into next as far as builds go, but definitely enjoyed this one. Wish I could have gotten a second set of these decals just to have. They're extremely fragile, so again, if you get any printed decals like this, especially off of eBay, stuff like that, make sure that you clear it with something to protect them, just so you don't get bleed, things like that. And then secondly, if you can pick up a second set while they've got them available, I would highly recommend it, just so that, if anything goes sideways or anything like that, you got an extra set to be able to put that all back together. So yeah, like I said, I'll get this all finished up, and then the next time you see this, it should be all completed. Hopefully it'll be here within the next week or so, but no guarantees, again, with just work schedules and stuff like that. So again, if you have any questions, comments, definitely post them down below, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.